name is Agis Runčis. I'm a Ventures Department Director at LMT Group, and my role is to grow and scale up our new business opportunities. We come quite a long way, starting from being telco operator. Now we define ourselves as a techco company playing in quite diverse business industries. Since 5G was coming to the market, we realized that it's not enough just to implement those technologies. We have to invent and show new use cases for our customers. One dimension, of course, is drones and autonomous flights using 5G network. In 5G4LIVES, we play dual role. First of all, we are a technology provider for 5G network. It's a standalone network where drones can operate autonomously. And on the second hand, we provide our computer vision capabilities. So we have built and designed our modules being able to solve different use cases, which is a case of public security. We are happy and blessed to collaborate with Riga municipality as well with Turina municipality in Italy. Especially I want to thank our partners in this project like Riga State City, Riga Municipal Policy, Electronic Communication Office of Latvia, and of course Open Innovation Movement VFresh. What we expect from this project is a catalytic effect. Those are first use cases we are demonstrating here in Riga City. But we expect that other partners would learn from us and take our best practice to establish such or different use cases in their cities, in their municipalities. So it makes us to be living in safer cities.